Alright guys, so we are in our second part of our flip class about Google Earth, and in this part I'm gonna tell you how to create a path and how to record a Google Earth tool. And remember, I already asked you to download Google Earth. So if you have not downloaded Google Earth, please pause the video, go to Google, write Google Earth, and please download it for free. Alright, so this is my working place, my former working place in Israel, in this pinpoint. Here I have studied. Now I want to show you where I've lived. So in order to do that, I don't need here the photos. Let's cancel that. And I've already created my pinpoint for that. So I'm double clicking on my pinpoint here. It will take us straight over there. This is Herzliya, a city very close to Tel Aviv. And this was my last apartment in Israel. Well, so far. Here it is. In this building right over here. I still have my history opened. Here we can take you back in time. Well, can't really see. Anyways, let's just close the history. I don't want to use it anymore. Alright, now I want to show you how to add a path. A path is this option, add path, right? In order to do that, I want a few things. I don't need 3D buildings. Let's close that. I do want roads. So this is it. I'm here in my last apartment in Israel, and I want to show you which path did I take in order to get to my working place. So let's name the new path way to work, right? And now let's put it just here. And with my scroller here, I'm gonna paint the way that I drove to my work. So I took this road over here, all the way like that. Let's just zoom out. Continue, turned left, waited here in the traffic light, turned left again in Menachem Begin Road. Let's zoom out again. Continue. Wait. I want to move this a little bit so I will be able to navigate. Let's move this way, right here, and I'm continuing. Oh, sorry. Here I am. So here's my way, turning left here, and I think it's here. Let's see. Let's zoom in. Yes, here's where I took a right. Let's just move a little bit this side. Oh, so, yeah. And oh, sorry. And then over here. And this was, where was it? Oh, sorry. Let's delete. Too much. Here. And this is it. I got it. Alright. So this was it. This was the path. How did I do it? Alright, let's save it. I already named it. This is the road I took to work. That's it. I have a description. I have a title for it. I already marked the road. That's it. Okay, I got it. Now it's saved here. Right? Here you can see it. Oh, sorry, this is our classroom. Way to work. Let's see it. I'm going here. Way to work. So here we are in the way to work, and when I double click this one, way to work, it takes me to my way to work. Now it takes me to the final destination, and I'm double clicking it again. It will show me this. Oh, sorry. It will show me the way. So I'm double clicking it. Sorry, I'm pressing this icon, play tour. Now it will take us the road. This is my last apartment in Israel. You remember? All right, I do. And now it takes us all the way through. It drives us the road that I have marked for it, right? Cutting some curves, but it takes us all the way through, right? Through the road and all the way through my path. So if in your Google Earth tool for the pinpoints of your life, you want to show me how do you go to your best friend's house, so please show me. A little mistake here. Show me the way you take. How do you drive to school, or where does your grandmother live, right? Many uses for that. Okay, so enough with that. It continues. It takes us all the way. That's enough. Let's pause it. All right, let me show you one more thing. Let's go back to Santa Marta. So let's go back to my house. This is now my house. I'm speaking to you from here. This is where I'm recording it. Now let me show you how did I get from Israel to here. Well, now in here, this is sunlight. Now it's 4:30 Saturday afternoon in Santa Marta. It's still light here, but very close by, that we are zooming out, here in Brazil it's already night, it's dusk. In Israel, in here where my last apartment was, it's already night. It's about midnight. It's well, actually 30 minutes past midnight. So I want to show you how to record a tour. Well, a tour is basically like a path, but I can do it a little bit more elegantly. So I canceled the sunlight option. Now let's record the tour. My tour will be how did I get from Israel to Santa Marta. So first, let's pinpoint. Now this was my last apartment, and didn't need to do that. I got the north all mixed up. So first, I went to vacation in Italy, somewhere around here, central Italy, in a place called Alerona. It's somewhere around here. Let's say Alerona. This is here. We went for a vacation. All right. And from there, we went back to Israel. From Israel, we flew to Madrid. In here. Madrid in Spain. Doesn't really matter. I can, of course, look it up in search and pinpoint it exactly. Let's say Madrid airport. It's just airport. Madrid. And then to Bogota. So the first step in creating a tour, Bogota, is to create a pinpoints. So here is Bogota. I'm creating a pinpoint. I already have 3 pinpoints. This is the 4th one in my way to Santa Marta. This is Bogota airport. And I'm writing in the description. Each and every pinpoint must have a description. We spent, sorry. Yeah, is it? I don't know. Spent the night in a nearby hotel. Blah, blah, blah. Add an image. please add images to your tour. So in here, let's find Bogota, Colombia, oops, airport. Here it is. Images. Oh, nice. This, we took Avianca. Horrible flight it was. Copy image URL, and we are good to go. Going back to Google Earth, pasting it here. Oops, sorry. Like that. Okay. That's that. And my home we already have. So what is the Google Earth tool? We are going to go through the history, going to have a tour from different locations in my pinpoints. So I don't need the layers, I don't need the search. All I want is here, this part here, my places. So this icon here is to record the tour. It opens this little box here. When I press the speaker, you will be able to hear me speak. I will record my voice. I do want you to narrate your tours because I am also recording it in a different software. I don't need this one, so I'm just recording it without the audio. As I'm recording it, you see here the counter of the seconds roll, right? So this is my first location, my last apartment in Israel. Now I took a vacation in Alerona. Double clicking it, it's taking us to my next step. Then we went back to my house. Oh, sorry. Last apartment in Israel. Going back in time and place. This is my last apartment in Israel. Here it is. From there, took a plane to Madrid. Crossed the Mediterranean Sea, landed in Madrid. From Madrid to Bogota. Here it is, Bogota Airport. Here we got there, spent the night in a nearby hotel. From Bogota, next morning, took a flight to Santa Marta City. That's that. This is where the tour ends. So now I'm pressing the red button. It stops. Now it automatically plays the tour for me. If I'm satisfied, I press in here and I'm recording it. Okay, I'm saving it. Right? I'm not satisfied. Now it plays the tour. Alright? Not satisfied, I can redo it. Okay? Let's just save it tentatively. Name of our tour is Roy's Way to Santa Marta. Okay, capital R. This is me. A description. This is my tour. Okay, that's that. And where is it? Now it saves here. Here, Roy's Way to Santa Marta. So I already have my tour and now I want to share it. I want to send it to my teacher. So I'm emailing it. I'm going to my mail and write the email of my teacher, Roy Lezer, at Colegio Bureche, etc. edu.co, and then I'm gonna send it. And of course I'm gonna send a copy to me, to myself, because I want to check that it has worked. Oops, unable to send your email message. Why? Not nice. Alright, it should work, and you send it to yourselves and make sure that it does work, right? Too many softwares working at the same time can't send it to me. Please send it to yourself, make sure that it does work, and then I will be able to watch it and grade it, right? So tomorrow in class, I'm going to make sure that you have Google Earth installed. See you then.